Hi, my name is Mark Villondo. This is my final presentation for Art 337R Interaction Design. So the application I decided to go with is an education app called Wonderboard that acts a lot like, well, at the very least, I took a reference from Canvas that you'll see here, except my app is made for K through 12 students. So moving forward, this here is going to be the tablet version that we're going to start off with. So this is going to be the start screen that you end up after clicking the app on your screen. So just to start, you just click the center here. So we are at the dashboard here, and I'm just using an example student. So you'll see we have my notes, textbooks, documents, and help all on one side, and the major items of calendar, graded assignments, dashboard, my classes, and messages to the bottom. I got some feedback saying that I should put dashboard with the rest, align with the rest of the items here. However, I want you to keep in mind that this is for K through 12 students, and having the dashboard where they can just go whenever they're confused, having that stand up above the rest as a reassurance to K through 12 students is something I specifically wanted to do. So even though I did get that feedback, I decided to leave the dashboard as it was. I did lower it a little bit because it was interfering with the content here. But overall, that's the idea that I wanted to go with. So here we have the dashboard. We'll go to the calendar. Sorry. Here we have the calendar. You can change the amount, similar to Canvas. We have the graded assignments. You can change the class here. You have search bar just in case you need it. We can once again go back to the dashboard. We go to my classes. You have class meeting times. Go to class meeting, which functions similar to Zoom, units/assignments, and class documents. And we have class announcements. And you did see recent announcements here on the dashboard. But if you wanted like a more in-depth, like for each class, you would just go to my classes. And then you have messages, which you'll just have all these messages here. You can switch between inbox and stuff, search again. Right, here we go. So we have the dashboard here. This is the desktop version that we're looking at now. So it looks similar, except instead for the desktop specifically, I wanted to have the sidebar because I believe that for desktop, it is better to have a sidebar than a bottom bar, which is probably something that works exclusively better on the tablet. Moving forward, we still have everything, except everything is on the sidebar as per recommendations through feedback that I got. And the help is right over here. Moving on to the calendar. Here we have the calendar, works the same, functions the same. We have the graded assignments, once again similar. Classes. Messages, here we go. This messages thing, function that I added is also similar to what we have here in Canvas, so that's another thing that I took from Canvas. To get into the particulars, my notes, textbooks, and documents, these are all inspired by Google Docs that you'll see. They have this same layout that you can just go through folders, go through files, you can search. I thought that was a really good function that I wanted to have in my own application, so we have it for 3 different things: the notes, the textbooks that you can read, and my documents. And that is the entirety of my presentation. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a nice day. And also, I will leave links to the prototypes in the video description. And if you can't find it in the video description, then it'll be somewhere that you'll be able to see. Thank you for watching.